Hello everyone. Question is, in one AWS account, a business runs a two-tier e-commerce application. An Amazon RDS for MySQL multi-AZ database instance serves as the application's backend. A developer removed the database instance in the production environment by accident. Although the organization recovers the database, the incident results in hours of outage and financial loss. Which combination of adjustments would reduce the likelihood that this error will occur again in the future? Select three options. Option A, grant least privilege to groups IAM users and roles. Option B, allow all users to restore a database from a backup. Option C, enable deletion protection on existing production DB instances. Option D, use an ACL policy to restrict users from DB instance deletion. Option E, enable AWS CloudTrail logging and enhanced monitoring. Correct answer is option A, C, and option D. Question is, a company has an on-premises system that tracks various database operations that occur over the lifetime of a database, including database shutdown, deletion, creation, and backup. The company recently moved two databases to Amazon RDS and is looking at a solution that would satisfy these requirements. The data could be used by other systems within the company. Which solution will meet these requirements with minimal effort? Option A, create an Amazon CloudWatch events rule with the operations that need to be tracked and on Amazon RDS. Create an AWS Lambda function to act on these rules and write the output to the tracking systems. Option B, create an AWS Lambda function to trigger on AWS CloudTrail API calls. Filter on specific RDS API calls and write the output to the tracking systems. Option C, create RDS event subscriptions. Have the tracking systems subscribe to specific RDS event system notifications. Option D, write RDS logos to Amazon Kinesis data firehose. Create an AWS Lambda function to act on these rules and write the output to the tracking systems. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, a company has a production environment running on Amazon RDS for SQL Server with an in-house web application as the front end. During the last application maintenance window, new functionality was added to the web application to enhance the reporting capabilities for management. Since the update, the application is slow to respond to some reporting queries. How should the company identify the source of the problem? Option A, install and configure Amazon CloudWatch application insights for Microsoft .NET and Microsoft SQL Server. Use a CloudWatch dashboard to identify the root cause. Option B, enable RDS performance insights and determine which query is creating the problem. Request changes to the query to address the problem. Option C, use AWS X-Ray deployed with Amazon RDS to track query system traces. Option D, create a support request and work with AWS support to identify the source of the issue. Correct answer is option B. Question is, a database specialist needs to configure an Amazon RDS for MySQL DB instance to close non-interactive connections that are inactive after 900 seconds. What should the database specialist do to accomplish this task? Option A. Create a custom DB parameter group and set the wait underscore timeout parameter value to 900. Associate the DB instance with the custom parameter group. Option B. Connect to the MySQL database and run the set session wait underscore timeout is equals to 900 command. Option C. Edit the my.cnf file and set the wait underscore timeout parameter value to 900. Restart the DB instance. Option D. Modify the default DB parameter group and set the wait underscore timeout parameter value to 900. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.